Okay, this is N2LEN with another quick video clip continuing the replacement speakers. Came in for the Eagle Spitfire 36mm. I ordered it from Amazon, I think two for $6 or $7. Let me show it to you. Here they are. Very, very close. There's actually two of them in here and they're wrapped in paper, but even the speaker, if you look at them, it looks identical. Replacing, and I'm going to be putting this one back in the FRS radio. This is the 26mm that I hot glued in, and as I told you, it just popped right back out, and this is going to fit right in cleanly. I just got to take off some of the glue residue off the inside, but it's going to look factory when it's done. And I'm just going to desolder the wires off of here and solder them right on to the new speaker and install it. The next video will be with it installed, and then being that there are two speakers here, you'll be able to see the comparison of the flip side. And here is the information for the speaker. There you go. 0.5 watts, 8 ohms, do-it-yourself magnetic, made in China. It came in 3 days on Amazon. This is N2LEN. We'll be back. This is N2LEN with another follow-up video clip, replacing the speaker in the Eagle Spitfire 454 10-meter rig. This would also go for the AH100 or the Titan Pro, RSPY 201, the Magnum 1011, any of these radios, the Albright. But basically, the original speaker was actually glued in. And here is the replacement that I purchased on Amazon. You have to tin the leads. This is positive and negative. I'll show you the difference of the actual cone. There you go. Now the fit, once you get in there and you clean out the glue, it was really, the original was really glued in there very tightly. And I tried literally poking through the front to push it out, but I ended up gently bending the chassis vents and I was able to pull it out. And then it took quite some time to clean the inside walls. When I put in the smaller speaker, it fit right in. It's noticeably smaller. This came from an FRS radio. This might be, if this is 36, this might be 26mm. But the original, now that the replacement fit in, this was completely cleaned out and it fit in snug, very snug. So I am not going to add any glue. It's just a waste of material, but believe me when I tell you that it fit in nice and tight. Here is the microphone, which was not touched, but when I removed it, I desoldered everything, both the mic and the speaker wires. You just want to make sure that when you put all this back, that nothing gets crimped when you put the cabinet back. And you may want to just, maybe wipe the LCD display gently on the inside of the display, the glass window, if any dust gets in there. But that's basically it. I'm going to put it all together and just power it up and give it a shot. So there you go. The replacement speakers. Now this is, if you look, it's 8 ohms, 0.4 watts. I was unable to find a 0.4 watts, so this is 8 ohm, 0.5 watts. And once again, let me show you the cone difference. They're both listed as full-range communication speakers. Catch you later, N2LEN Clear.